Welcome back to Plane X, and today we're remaidening our beautiful DIY jet. So last flight, it didn't really go as planned.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
Bruh. But since then, we made major changes to the jet. It may not look like it, but the whole front is fully new. We moved up the weights a lot more, so the front wheel, it's all the way in the nose now in the front, and it retracts into the nose, so all that weight is moved forward. And I gave more space for the battery to get moved up more farther up, so all the way up here. So last time I was like here, so we have way more weight distributed into the front, so center of gravity is a lot better. One more thing we changed on the jet is that we trimmed out the elevons a little more, because last time I added a lot more up trim on the elevons, and this time I made them way more neutral, so we just stay a lot more straight in the flight. And the biggest thing we were missing from the last flight was a sick livery. So connection is really accessible. You just have this wire here that just made it to the end. There we go. Combine. Holy, what the f was that? I think that was a front wheel. Then you kind of, it like just fits with the wheel servo. There we go. It's in nice and snug. I mean, this battery will be for the FPV. We're not plugging that in yet. There we go. And the jet is finished. So we have full taxi ability. It really turns really well. You just do a full turn. Let's pull over here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's sick. And the coolest thing about the jet is the retracts. Oh, no.
Oh, the front retract is so cool.
Wait, they were trying to retract the whole time on the ground.
Oh.
That's why I was like, oh no. That, okay, whatever. Look at that. Somehow, wait, how's everything okay? I was like frying it. Okay. Well, like,
you're not professional.
Look at that. Yeah, but last time, one of the changes, it retracts into their front now, so that's the new thing.
These things are so cool.
Okay, I guess let's just get into the flight. So, we're finally here. Should we just move back as much as we can, pretty much? Control surfaces check.
Okay, let's like really think about it. So, you're gonna fly straight. Okay, fly straight.
This is the flight plan. So, for step 1, keep it straight along the runway. Step 2, not pull fully up like last time. Step 3, fly.
Oh yeah, retract the landing gears. We need to retract the landing gears.
You'll remind me to retract landing gears, because we never had plans to retract the landing gears. I'll definitely forget that, so.
Yeah,
So yeah, step 4, make sure we don't hit the person with the dog. It's only one.
Okay, wait. Just like, okay, so fly straight.
Yeah.
Literally keep flying straight. Look how much distance you have. Don't worry about turning until you're like.
No, let's go as far back just for the sake of turning. I forgot about that. That's a good reason to do that.
No, but yeah, you could fly like get altitude, bro. Like you want to be flying well over the school, you know? Oh, guys, this is heart is pounding.
Get ready?
There's no way we're actually doing this. Like, there's no way. This is so scary. This is so. I don't.
Wait, SFPC on?
Yeah, it's like.
Yeah, we're going. Let's go.
Okay, it's also a bit curved right now.
It's fine, it's fine. Okay, ready? Attempt number 2 of the jet. Let's see if it flies.
Okay, really think about it. Don't stress. Yeah.
It's flying.
Alright.
Track landing gear.
Alright, oh my god.
Yo. Oh shit.
No, this is progress. This is fucking progress. Dude, that's like more than a week. Like,
I feel like that's like under.
That's weird though. Okay. I feel like the only reason it would feel underpowered is because it has so much like area that it's causing a lot of air traffic. Because it's not really like. Yeah, dude. No, this is genuinely like.
You know, it flew.
It flew. I'm just like. It doesn't even look that.
No, the wing is.
Oh, it is.
It's fucked. But like, it's progress.
This is literally progress. Like, I'm honestly happy with this because this is a jet took flight.
Okay, wait. I can't believe we had flight.
Yeah.
Wait, did I retract the landing gears?
Yeah, you said you did.
Oh wait, so that means nothing really broke on the gears.
Holy piss. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Well, this time we actually have damage. So, first damage we see. Wing is
Kaput.
we don't have a wing, okay? Wait, the wing is like intact.
Yeah, it's just one. It just like
detached from the side. Honestly, what we're gonna do, we're rebuilding this thing, coming back
again.
Remodel. Okay, but yo, this is the progress we need.
Yeah.
Every so far every time it got better. First we had the straight up flight. This time we flew, and now we'll have to get a plane that actually
flies well.
Yeah. Honestly, like, so what I felt was, so when I took off, like, I had pretty good control, right?
Yeah.
As I was climbing, it was not speeding. You saw that too. It was not speeding up. It actually might have too much drag, cause like these wings.
Because everything's so light.
So
it has a lot
when
of
I was
drag.
designing this plane, I made it lighter than like. So honestly, I compared to the Su 2750 millimeter design that E-Flight or
E-Flight or whatever
some company had, right? So I modeled it around that. So I kept the weight under that, and I get a way bigger wingspan. Cause like I don't have to fly like at any parks, but definitely.
I think we might have to make it more aerodynamic.
And when I retracted, and then when I retracted the landing gears, then I stopped like focusing on keeping it straight, and that's when I started losing it.
Yeah.
But honestly, when I started climbing, like in the turn, it like. Oh, actually, I think the wings were so big that the turning just doesn't want to go.
Yeah, we might just have to make full delta wings or something.
Then when I started turning, it just started getting unstable and shit, and then ultimate crash.
Yeah.
But honestly, do you think? I also think these are too small, cause like
they might
stabilizer. Cause like when I saw other models, they were like 2 times bigger than that. So I'll probably also have to like maybe extend them out a bit, a little taller. But
is that baby still connected, or did we lose it?
It's still.
Oh
filming.
my god! Yes, dude. Last time on the second flight, we lost it.
I'm saving.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yes.
No, because the crash, it didn't really hit too hard.
Yeah.
No, I mean the wing took off the impact.
Yeah. Dude, okay, we've got the nose
landing
over
gear.
here.
Look, landing gears retracted.
Yeah. Okay, dude. The amount of progress we just made is like
this is the biggest progress in Planex history. Actually, no, other than the PF1.
Yeah.
This is the biggest.
Yeah. This is the first jet. We've been building jets. Like literally, the first jet we ever made was a single 64 millimeter.
This time the balance was fucking perfect. Like when I took off, I felt full balance was shot. I mean, this is a big win. This is giving me a lot of like motivation to come.
Yeah.
I mean, the engines are like fully in. The whole body's like
everything again.
The things that I actually want to like rebuild this whole body.
Yeah, we should rebuild it.
I'll see what I'm gonna do. Just build a whole good copy. I think I can make it fly now. Like, I think I could do it. But wait, the only thing I'm concerned of why was this like not really picking up speed. That's not.
No, I think it's just too big. You know, like you gave it too much lift.
I think I was.
It's not aerodynamic. It won't. It's not like an arrow. You know.
What I'm planning to do is cut this down by 5, like here, because it was originally it was supposed to be 30 centimeters. I gave it 35 for extra measures, but that could have fucked it up.
It's too much. It's too much.
And the width, I'm definitely planning to put it down a bit.
And like I think it's just it's so light that it doesn't have any momentum in the air. I think that's.
No, that's not a problem. The light is good though. You want light. It's faster if light. It's just
true.
Honestly, I think we could definitely revise this thing.
Yeah, could definitely just rethink it.
I was thinking of flying. No, I think it was honestly just the wideness maybe made it like not maneuverable enough overall. But yeah, well, this was a big win. We're getting up. A lot of updates are coming soon. A lot of big vids coming up too. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. Come on, guys.
Got it.
We're working hard.
Planex is coming back in 2025. It's gonna be the best year ever. Also, we're so close to 2,000 subs. So.
Oh yeah, guys, come on.
Subscribe, bro.
Come on.
We gotta do something big for 2K, you know. So.
All right then. Yeah. See you guys next time.
See ya.